Hey crafters, welcome to today's tutorial. So today what we'll be making is this cute little card. It's a layered card and it's wildflowers for happy birthday. It's very cute. Now this is one of a set of 3 that I've made. This one you will get for free for the month of July 2025. So if you're watching that after that, you can still grab it, and the link will be in the description below, but you can also find the link for the others in the description as well. And if you check out the description, you'll see a code there to get 50% off if you are interested in that. Okay, so let's get crafting. So the supplies you'll need for this project is just a bunch of cardstock. So I've just got a lot of colors here that I'm going to use. You can choose your colors. These are the ones I'm using. You'll just need enough to cut out each layer, and we'll pop that in the Cricut and let's get crafting. Okay, so once you have downloaded the file from my website and uploaded it into Design Space, it will look like this. Now, if you go over here, you can see all of the different layers. But just before I take the layers apart, I'm just going to resize it. Because there's not a lot of things that we need to do before this, but I do like to make it 14.5. This size just works for me. All right, so as you can see, there are these 2 little layers here. So these 2 butterflies are separate. So I'll just ungroup all of these and show you. So all of the layers are here like that. And these ones are just separate. So I am just going to cut those out of just little scrap pieces and stick them on after, and we'll see how we do that as we go on. There's not a lot you need to do before you cut it out unless you want to make some color changes. That way you can see what color card you need to put onto your mat when you go to cut it out. But if you're ready to cut it out, it's good to go. Let's just go and make it. Now you see the different layers come up on the different mats. Now the little butterfly is here. Now if you want to cut it out from that same color, you can. Otherwise you can just click on these 3 dots and click Move Object, and then you can just put it onto a new mat by itself. And you can do the same with, where's the other one? There it is. We'll do the same with that one. Move Object, and just put that one on there. There we go. So that one, they're going to cut out separate. There we go. So once we're ready to do that, we'll just go to Continue. Now, because there is quite a lot of little intricate details in this card, I do recommend that you use cardstock for intricate cuts or glitter cardstock. If your blade's a bit blunt, I find the glitter cardstock setting just gives it a little bit more pressure. Because that gives it 2 passes over and makes much more of a clean cut, which makes it easier to remove from your mat and just makes life a whole lot easier. So once you're ready to go, you click on that and let's cut it out. So now we've cut out all of the pieces and it's just a matter of putting them together. So basically I'm just going to glue them all together. I use this glue, which I quite like. It dries clear, but I do pop it into my little container, which has a very thin nozzle, which will be very good for all the little pieces in this card. All right. So let's get gluing. And we'll just start from the bottom and work up. Now there are these 2 little pieces which I'll put off to the side because I'll glue them on last. So that's the back piece. Turn these over and start from the back like that. All right, let's do this. Layer 1 done. one little thing when you are sticking the layers on top of each other, just to make sure that they're actually in the right spot before you glue them down, because if you make one layer out, then you can see it under all the rest. Okay, there we go. There we go, starting to take shape. Okay, now for the black layer. This just gives it a really nice outline. Okay, there we go. And we'll stick the last layer on. There we go. Now for the little butterflies, I'm just going to give this a bit of a bend and just stick the middle bit on here. So that the butterfly just sticks up a bit, and this one can just go flat. There we go. Now let's put it on a card and we'll be good to go. So I've just got a piece of card that I've cut out and folded in half. Now I do include the template with the SVG, so you can cut one out yourself. And there's also an envelope template as well. So what we're going to do is just stick this onto this card and then we'll be good to go. And there we go, the layered wildflower happy birthday card. I think it turned out pretty good. Now I have made 2 other ones as well, so you can do a set of 3, or you can do this one. This one is free with this month's SVG. The others you can find on my website. I'll leave a link below. I hope you enjoyed crafting with me today and have a great week. I'll see you next time. Bye.